So let's get started. First of all, when you will open the Pika Lab website, you will be redirected to the official website of Pika AI. And after that, in order to get started, you will have these two options. Either you can go ahead and sign in with your Google account, or you can sign in with a Discord account. So you can choose any of it as per your choice. So I'm just gonna click on sign in with Google. And this is something how the interface of Pika AI tool will look like. You can see there are a number of templates available with the script or the prompts written just below them. So you can use them as a reference. On the top right hand side corner, you can see your profile icon and the upgrade section. So currently we are using the basic plan, but if you like to upgrade your plan to a monthly basis or yearly, you can upgrade your plan accordingly. And on the left hand side, you will have the explore option and your library. And in the bottom section, you will have where you have to give a prompt in order to describe the AI tool regarding the video or the image that you want to generate through this tool. And below that, you have another option called image or video. So you can also give the prompt in a form of image or a video to the AI tool, and it will generate the content for you. And right below the prompt section, you will have these options. So when you click on video options, you will see there are 6 different type of aspect ratio that you can choose according to the video size or the platform for which you are making the videos. And you will also have frame per second aspect ratio for very precise and stable videos. So you can customize that. And right beside the video options, you have motion control. So you can control the motion and you can add different type of motion in a single frame while adding these features. And right beside the motion control, you will have parameters, and here you have negative prompt and speed option. So you can write negative prompt like things that you want to avoid in your video or photo that you will generate through AI tool. And in the speed section, you can also manage the speed or customize it according to your need. So let's go ahead and give the prompt right now. And once you mention your prompt, just click on create. And depending on your prompt, the AI will start working on the prompt that you have just given, and it will create a video for you. And there is another good thing about this AI tool is that you can reprompt your prompt that you have just given after seeing the final result. And if you don't like the final result, you can change your prompt with certain words and it will recreate the video for you. So this is quite unique. Now, as you can see that the video is almost done. So in order to play this, you have to download the video first. Now, if you want to make certain changes in the video itself, you can click on the edit section and make changes according to you. And if you want to make the changes in the prompt itself, you can click on reprompt and you can change the prompt that you have just given and make changes accordingly. So this is basically how you will use Pika AI. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.